Looking for the best mechanical keyboard compact but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 5 best mechanical keyboard compact based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 5. Number 5. Satechi 108 Touches, Clair/Blanc SM3 Mechanical Keyboard. Perfect for productivity setups with a full-size 108-key wireless mechanical keyboard featuring a numeric keypad and low-profile brown switches. Quiet keystrokes and rechargeable battery make it ideal for offices or shared spaces. For connection options, dual Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz receiver, and wired USB-C, let you switch between up to 4 devices effortlessly. The durable aluminum build and customizable keycaps add durability and flexibility. Number 4. RK Royal KLUDGE RKR98 Pro Wired R98 Pro Wired Mechanical Keyboard. Gamers and creators who multitask between work and play will love this board. It keeps the numpad, arrow keys, and all your shortcuts front and center without hogging desk space. Creamy pre-lubed switches give every keystroke a silky, thocky punch thanks to 5-layer sound-absorbing foam. Swap out switches on the fly and tweak macros with the online driver on Windows or Mac. MDA profile keycaps wrap your fingers in comfort while durable PBT double-shot caps shrug off wear and tear. Quick adjust volume knob and 4 clear indicator lights keep everything visible at a glance. Number 3. nuphy Air 100V3 Wireless Mechanical Keyboard. Typing up a late-night report while your roommate's asleep, this keyboard's gasket mount swallows every keystroke so silence stays sacred. Multi-device pros get one-touch switching between laptop, phone and tablet without hunting for cables. Swap switches on the fly, pick your PBT keycaps, and tweak everything in browser. No installs, no fuss. Gamers and writers alike lock in comfort plus custom vibes in one slick slab of aircraft aluminum. Number 2. AULA F75 Pro Side-Printed Keycap Version F75 Pro Wireless Mechanical Keyboard. This thing connects to 5 devices at once, Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, or USB, then switch with a single key. Gamers, remote workers, and tablet users will love the flexibility. The hot swappable switches let anyone tweak the feel without soldering, while the pre-lubed stabilizers keep every keystroke smooth and quiet. RGB lighting pulses to your music or your mood with 16.8 million colors. Compact layout saves desk space yet keeps arrow keys. N-key rollover and a programmable knob seal the deal for performance and comfort. Number 1. MageGee MK Star Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. Love the loud click and crisp feel when you press the keys. Most mechanical keyboards feel mushy or sound flat, but this one's got that strong tactile bump and a satisfying sound every time. Gamers and writers will love the full anti-ghosting so every key press registers even during fast combos. The customizable blue lighting adds style and the splash-proof design keeps it safe from spills. Plug it in anywhere, Windows, Mac, or Linux, and it just works without drivers. Solid build with adjustable feet and a metal panel that resists scratches. If you want a mechanical keyboard that actually feels premium, this one delivers. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, the links to grab these picks are right in the description below, so be sure to check them out. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our next review. See you in the next one.